Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'll be guiding you to open a trading account on forex.com. So let's just get started. So how we do is just go to your web browser and just go to forex.com or forex like this, and then you'll be in this particular website. Now what you have to do is just go with this first link over here, and then you'll be redirected directly to the website of forex.com. Now you have the options over here, or you can also go down, or let's say just go over here, open my account. Sorry, you can have an email to open an account, so let me just use one. Open account, and you can choose over here to open your account. So let's just choose one of these, open draw spread account, and you have to fill up some forms. You can save, continue again, and then go to number 2, where you'll be needing some guidelines about your home address and all, and thirdly you'll be asked about your trading experience, and finally you can finish the login platform. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I just guided because I am not going to create. I already have account. So that's pretty much. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.